Carolyne Demathew nĩarĩkĩtie kũrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ya kĩeha kũrĩa arauga atĩ her wine store ĩrĩa nĩyo yũĩkaine ta John Jameson Liquor Store has been robbed, their till phone has been stolen, na arauga atĩ the guys who stole it were dressed in Safaricom jackets. Na rĩu nĩarĩkĩtie kũrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩno as a warning to all her customers and also as an alert just in case they try to con people using that till phone. Akiuga, good evening, hope you're well. Just to inform you, John Jameson Liquor till phone has just been stolen by guys dressed in Safaricom jackets. Kindly, if you receive any call or message claiming to be me, don't respond. Thanks. Oh my, I'm sure angĩkorwo nĩ ũmũfollowaga on her Facebook page at Carolyne Demathew. She mainly shares videos of her at her liquor store near John Jameson Liquor. She also mainly advertises it mũno kũgerera Facebook page yake, and she has also shared so many photos of her arũgamĩte o hau nja wa John Jameson Liquor, and even on her profile picture she has shared a photo of her arũgamĩte o hau nja wa John Jameson Liquor. And now she says their till phone has just been stolen. Arauga the guys who stole it were dressed in Safaricom jackets, obviously fake Safaricom jackets, obviously mekũgereria kuonania o nĩa Safaricom, but only for them to turn out to be con men. Na rĩu nĩmatuĩka a kũiya till phone ya Carolyne Demathew, and she says this is a warning and also an alert message to everyone out there in case ũhũrĩrwo thimũ, know that it's a con, don't respond. And her fans are standing with her. Eunice Buru akiuga sorry for that girl, wachie Mungu, thikũ cia mũici nĩ 40. Dr. Kariuki, pole sana, marokua. Jane Wairimu kiongera andũ mamatire hakiri. Na Nyakairo Bogu akauga watatumwa na njia zote wa kumaliza, lakini tell them we ain't going nowhere. Saitan Carolyne weye. Na hena mũrũmĩrĩri ũmwe wake aramũria if it's possible to share on their wall, akiuga mtu anaweza share kwa wall yake, you know, to create more awareness, and we hope she'll be able to get it back. Pole sana kwake, we hope all shall be well.